Hola! In today's video, we are going to drill our footwork in the rolling golpe and picado technique. This video is mainly for intermediate dancers and up. I recommend that you keep your hands on your hips, and if you feel comfortable with the movement, try playing palmas along with it. We're going to start off slow and build up that tempo. And if you want to dance more with me, I invite you to join me inside my Online Flamenco Studio. It's a monthly membership with courses for new beginners all the way through advanced dancers in technique, choreography, and flamenco theory. You can find a link below for your free 10-day trial. But let's begin. All right, so we have our hands on our hips, or you can try playing palmas. Remember, you want to keep your abs in, your butt is engaged, your legs are relaxed. Okay, here we go. 8, 9, 10. And we'll split the compás. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then we're going to stay here. 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10. Left. Get those heels up. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. And stay here. 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. And now picado. Da, da, da. Go a little faster. Here we go. 7, 8, 9, 10, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10. Left. Even faster. Here we go. 12, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10. Dig in. Stay here. thanks for joining me. That was a nice practice drill down that footwork. If you want to study more with me online, you can join my Online Flamenco Studio, where it's a membership with over 80 courses for dancers from new beginners all the way through advanced levels. We have courses in choreography, technique, and flamenco theory, because it's important to me that you speak, feel, and dance flamenco and not just copy a little pieces of movement here and there. There is a lively, vibrant community. There are monthly workouts and monthly challenges, live training sessions, and practice sessions as well. So click here for your free 10-day trial, and I'd love to dance with you soon.